guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I am here again with a cool idea on how to earn money online. So just watch full video because I am going to tell here a very good plan where you can earn almost in lakhs per month if you work here dedicatedly. So just be dedicated and work here and earn in lakhs. So let's start. So guys, you are watching this app here. This is the app interface that I am going to tell you about. So you are watching here. There are so many categories like jewelry, clothes, kids material, as woman accessories, makeup. Means you will find here all thing electronics, gadgets, everything that is the need of a human being, need or luxury, everything you means everything you can get here. So what you have to do, you have to start this business yourself. You have to sell this thing to the customers and you can earn great money here. You just need to find customers and share these items, products with the customer. If the customer is interested in buying, then take order and deliver. You don't need to tell that you are using any platform, you are using any app. You just can be the manufacturer, the deliver, the wholesaler, the retailer, whatever you want to be, you can be here. So whatever your business, if you are already a business person, if you are not business person, it doesn't matter. The matter is this app is really fantastic. You can earn so much good here. So guys, I'm just telling you now how you can do business here. Like I am opening here, let's open here women's clothes, because you know there is so much high demand for women clothes. So I am going here on classic kurtis. So first I will show you what's the price here, because price is very low, because you have to sell it and you can set your own margin. Whatever you want to get, your profit is only yours. You don't need to pay anyone. So guys, you are watching here. Let's I'm changing here. I'm going to any good thing, because this is the platform where you can find all type of material. But one thing always remember, if you want to sell anything to anyone, just avail the best material so that the customer could never refuse to buy. So I am clicking here on. So you are watching here. This is Eva trendy fashionable cotton jeggings. So you know jeggings is a very popular uh, dress for girls. Every girls just want to wear it. So you can sell it and you can earn good margin. So you are watching, this is the jegging, and the price is only starting from 265 rupees. So you can just get the details of this. Like you want to sell it, what you have to do, you have to copy this text whatever is given. You just have to click on the copy and it will be copied, like I am doing here. Watch, I have copied this. Okay, so next thing is you have to so first you have to click on the product that you going to share. So you are watching here, this is the size, and you are watching here size, free shipping, dispatched in 2-3 days. Means dispatch time is 2-3 days. In 2-3 days the customer will receive this product. Means delivery service is great here, and only for 265 rupees. You can add here your own margin. Like if you share this, you can share here on the platforms you are watching here, Vivol, every page, every group. If you are managing anything or on any simple account like Instagram stories, you can share it. You can also use this button share now, and you can share everywhere here. Means there is nothing like if you want to share any platform and the platform is not available here to share, you can share anywhere or everywhere. So you just have to give the details of the product, images. You can just save or you can directly share, and just share the details with the customer. If the customer is interested, he wants to tell you that I want to buy this product, please tell me the full details, how much time I will get, and everything the customer need. You just tell the person to the customer, and if the person really wants to buy the thing, then take order from the customer's address, and you can order this thing from your account, and really believe it that the company will deliver this product to the customer's address, and there will be no name of the company. It will be delivered on behalf of you. If you want, then you can print your own name. You just have to tell, and you can see that the product will be printed with your name. Means you will be your own business owner. So it's a great platform, guys. Just use it. Share everywhere with your contacts. Maintain a page, Facebook page. Maintain an Instagram account, Instagram business account, YouTube account, or any platform that you can use. Just do use and share it as much as possible, and you will definitely get customers, because the price is really not much higher. The price is low, so customer will definitely get attracted to these products. So don't make any delay, just do business, just grow in your life and earn money. That's it, guys. So I will meet my next video with some other cool information on how you can earn online money. Till then, bye bye.